everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to go over some items that I recently found on Amazon that I feel are pretty affordable and very easy to get, very quick on shipping because it's Amazon. So I'm going to go over these items that I found. Now, just a little preface on this. You can find things cheaper. Definitely, 100%. I find that these are very affordable for what they are. So that's why I'm sharing them. I have another video where I go to Dollar Tree and find a bunch of things over there that you can get. Again, another affordable option. Honestly, you don't really even need to have any of this stuff if you want to do it. You don't have to have like this stuff to do the cash envelope system. It's just nice, and I find it to be a little bit more fun, and I use things more when I have cute stuff. So if you're the same way, just having like these fun little things to organize all the stuff, then definitely this video you will enjoy, because I found some cute things, some nice things. I haven't opened anything. I wanted to just have everything in the plastic, how it came, and then I will kind of go through it and see if I think it's good or not, because I haven't checked the quality on these things yet, but they are pretty affordable when it comes to these items. So yeah, I'm gonna go over everything and kind of give you my input on these. And yeah, I'll have all these all linked down in the description if you are interested in purchasing. They all did come from Amazon, and I believe all of this came within like a day or two, with the exception of this item right here. It took a little bit longer. This is actually the last item I was waiting for to make this video. So now I can finally do this. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick little overview of what I found. So on Amazon, you can find a lot of great binders. When I first started this system, I went to Amazon first and I found a binder. I really like this one because it's just like a fun pattern. So they have like different patterns. There's solid colored ones. I want to say this was less than $10 for this one. And it comes with a lot of goodies to get you started if you're interested in doing this. I feel like it's good to start off this route just to see if this is something you want to do, because it is a bit of a lifestyle change. And you don't want to spend all this money on really nice quality stuff, because there's some really nice stuff out there, and just like break the bank with that. I feel like this is a good starter pack right here to get you going. We have some nice little budget sheets in here, and they're already punched, that way you can put them into the rings. But we got a budget sheet, date, description, amount, and balance. It's kind of like all you really need. I use these to track something similar to track my envelopes. So these are really nice, and they're actually a fun pattern on them. They're really pretty. They're pink on the other side. Oh, they're like a bunch of different colors, so that's fun. Okay, so you get those, and then this one comes with some of these envelopes, which I love these little zippered envelopes. I use these in my savings challenges because I find that the other envelopes I use are not big enough to hold like huge savings challenges, because I do like a lot of dollar savings challenges. So these I like to use for those. But again, this is a great way to start this system, is just using these envelopes right here. They zip open. Sometimes they do come off. They do break very easily from what I've noticed, but they're very good at keeping your money in there, very nice and secure. So you get a few pouches of those in here. And then you get this nice little sheet right here, so you can label your envelopes if you plan on using it for your cash envelope system. Maybe some like sinking funds. We have insurance, gifts, beauty, clothing, entertainment, care, groceries, deposit, pets, transportation, savings, out, electric, and gas. So you have some options. They're little stickers, and they're clear. They're like a little clear sticker, so they'll look nice like labeled on here. Again, a very nice little starter pack, but I like that this one was a fun pattern, because that also helps too when we have like some really pretty binders. I like the cute stuff again. So I thought this was a good one, and there are solid ones. There's tons of options on Amazon to get you started with this system, but I feel like this is a good one. And I like that this one has like let's see. It has the magnetic closure on it. But yeah, really cute. Some places to put cards if you want to, and then a couple pockets. Okay, so that's the first thing. You can find lots of these on Amazon for a very good price point. I want to go over, this is the item that took a little bit longer for me to get on Amazon. It wasn't like 1 or 2 days, but this is one I'm really excited to see because they are tabbed envelopes. So, I don't know how many came in here. You get a few of them. So I like that it had like a little tab, and then it has the pocket so you can put the money on. So you can label this. If you have like a label maker, you can easily label that. I have a Cricut, and I have clear sticker paper, so I could easily label it here on the front. In my system, I made my envelopes. I have some vellum envelopes like this, and I like to have the label on the front, but I really like the idea of a tab, especially for your wallet, to put it in here. But yeah, let me see how this will work. And let's do the binder that I just got. We'll do it in here. And I probably have to poke these holes out. So we'll just poke these out. Just want to try one in here. Okay. And then I'll put some money in here to see how the money looks inside. But yeah, super easy. And then you got a little tab divider in here, which is really cute. Honestly, the quality of this is gonna last way longer than the ones that I've made, because this one I've made with some laminating sheets, and I did a pretty good job making them, but these are gonna last way longer. So I like the idea of having this material in a wallet, because this is what I use most, like, every day. So these get a lot of wear and tear in them, and I already had to remake these twice. And if you're buying these from like a shop, they're very, very expensive. That's why I chose to make them myself. I actually have a video on my channel if you're interested in learning how to do that. But I really like these because this one, the wear and tear it's gonna hold up pretty well when it comes to wear and tear. And you get a bunch of these, which is really nice. And then that will all fit in here. And I love the little tabbed part. So I'm excited to like try to figure out how I'm going to use these, but I really like the little tabs on there. So yeah, found these, and this wasn't too expensive, and you get a whole bunch here to use in this system. Now I have one thing that I did buy. I bought these words because I figured you could use these on here. We'll see how that looks. You could also use a label maker if you have one, or if you have a Cricut like I have, then you can make your own words. You can choose your own fonts, which I actually probably prefer. But I found these words. There was a couple of different font styles, but I liked the more like cleaner look when it came to this lettering, but I think they had some scripty styles too. But look at all of these different words that you can use to label your envelopes. Recycling, events, child support, lawn care, dry cleaning, luggage, hobbies, magazines. You kind of have a little bit of everything. Here we got cell phone, coffee, groceries, school lunch. Yeah, there's quite a bit. Christmas fun, we got some holiday funds here. Toiletries, toys, airfare, and we have the months here. So I feel like that's a good variety of words. So we're just gonna we'll do coffee, because I actually do have a coffee envelope. Okay, where's coffee? Did I skip it? Here it is. Okay, so we'll put coffee here, and then you could just label the envelope however you want. You could I like putting them in the middle. Like I said, I have my envelopes that I made like that. I feel like this is just an easier and definitely going to be a cheaper way to get some like aesthetically pleasing envelopes if you're not into having like the zippered ones, because these do get kind of bulky once you kind of put them in your binder and you have all these little zippered parts hitting each other. But this is a little bit more streamlined, which I like. So yeah, that's a great option. But again, I'm loving the little tab parts. Those are all really cool. Okay, so those are the words, and then the envelopes. Very nice. I really like that. Okay, so that was that. Now I have a couple of, hold on, what did I get? Oh, this is another one. Okay, I think this one's pretty cool too. This would be good to start as like a wallet, like to carry with you, because I'm going to be honest, like sometimes maybe this is a little bit too big. My wallet is like, I can fit it in my purse, but this is the wallet that I have currently. I plan on selling these soon. But this one fits in my bag, but if I had a little bit smaller bag, it wouldn't fit. So sometimes this might be a little bit too bulky for some people to carry, and I thought this was a nice option because it's a little slimmer. It comes with words again, so you can label your envelopes. These are tab 2, which are cool. They're not, actually these aren't envelopes. I think these are dividers, which is cool too, that you could totally work with. So yeah, they're like little dividers. You can label them. We'll label one. We'll do shopping. And I like that you can label, these labels will fit perfectly up on the corner. I could even use these labels with the other tabbed ones maybe, depending on the length of the word. But yeah, you label the tabs and then you get this little wallet to organize them. This one came in a bunch of different colors too. I just picked the black because I just, you know, black is nice. And then you got this wallet in here, and you put this in here, and then you put your money in. So once everything's labeled, you'll be able to stick your money in here and very easily go through each of the tabs, little dividers. Let me get some money, get that money that I put in this little envelope, and we'll just stick this in the shopping section right here. And it fits very nicely in there, very easy. And then you're able to see like where each thing is and grab it and go. So yeah, I really like this one. I think I might take this when I go to Disneyland, because when I go to Disneyland, I don't want to carry my big bulky, oh, I missed one. I don't want to carry my big bulky wallet because I carry like a little backpack. So I think this would be easier to manage when I'm there. We'll see. But I really like that one. That one's really cool. And then again, you get a lot of words here, which is really nice. I feel like it kind of covers a lot of the common ones that you would need. So yeah, love this one. Again, all of these will be linked in the description if you're interested in trying them out. Okay, I have a couple more binders left. So I found this cute little one. I've actually never used this size binder. I think it's an A7. I can't remember. Again, it'll be linked down in the description. But it's a smaller size. So this is the binder, the regular A6 size. And then this is the smaller one. It comes with basically the same things this one did. It has the little zippered pouches here, and then the little budget sheet. It just, oh, does it come with words? Yes, it does. And then, oh, it comes with labels. Okay, these aren't as nice, to be honest. But still pretty good. And I like the size of this because I feel like this is a good size to fit in any bag. It's not super bulky. And then you would just have to, let me get my money out of this because I don't want to forget I have my 20 in here. Okay, so I have my 20. And then you could just fold the money and stick it in the pouch. Again, label them however you would like. But I just thought this was a nice size because it's just smaller, which I really like. Okay, so there's another good option, a smaller little option if you don't want the larger size. Okay, and then the last one, okay, this one's really cool. So I'm currently doing the 100 envelope challenge. I made a box. Do I have the box? Maybe I'll get the box. So this is what I'm currently using. Like I said, I made the envelopes. The box I got from Walmart. You can find it on Amazon too. But I'm doing the 100 envelope challenge, which is basically I have 100 envelopes in here. They are all numbered 1 through 100, and each number gets that dollar amount in the envelope. So this has $1, and then 2, this one has $2 $1 bills, and so on. So this is how I'm doing this challenge right now. I'm kind of almost there finishing it, but I'm thinking that once I get all this money in, I don't know, it might get a little tight in here, so we'll see. But I did make these. I have a tutorial on my channel, and everything that I make, I have tutorials on my channel on how to make them, so that way you can make them yourself if you're interested. It's super time consuming, the ones that I made, but I love the look of them. Now, I did find this 100 envelope savings challenge on Amazon already ready to go. You don't have to make anything. Everything is, it should be done. We shall see. Like I said, I haven't opened everything. So we'll see how this looks. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I like this one because, again, I'll have it linked. A lot of the other 100 envelope challenges I was finding had like vinyl on it, like written with 100 envelope. This was just a plain one, which I really liked. And oh yeah, so we get all the envelopes here, and they're numbered. So you have 1 through 4, and then it goes all the way to 100 here. And I like that it's in a binder. You're not gonna run out of space, which is nice. Okay, so let me stick this in here. All of this in here. I'm not sure what size this is. I have to look and see what size this is. Does it say? It doesn't say. But it'll be linked, and the info is in the description. Okay, so it has all of the little envelopes, the little pockets labeled. So you put them in the top, in the front. So you have all the little spaces that you can fill in. Let me grab my 20 that I've been using in this video. So I got my $20 here. And I'm just going to go to the 20, and we're going to stick this in here. So we'll see. I think you have to fold it like at least 3 times, or at least, I don't know if you have to fold it. We're just going to fold it like this so it fits. I'm sure you can find other ways to fold it, but we'll just fold it this way. So that's the 20 that goes in there for that challenge. Let's see if I fold it halfway. I think halfway is too big. Oh, actually, no, it'll fit this way. Okay. I think it'll fit this way. Yep, it fits. Okay, so you can just fold it in half and then stick it in there, and you're good to go. And then the whole point, I actually really like the idea of this one, because then you get to see like all the empty spots. For me, it's starting to get a little harder to see like where mine are empty, but I really like filling in this book is really cool. And this wasn't super expensive either. I want to say it was maybe like $15. Again, it'll be linked down in the description. But the fact that you don't have to make anything, you don't have to like label all the pockets and do all that. Like mine took forever to do, but super happy with how it turned out. But I just like that it's all like in a book, ready to go, so you can get started on your challenge. So yeah, love that. It came in a bunch of different colors. Definitely check out that one, because I think this one is the one I'm most excited about. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to switch over, but I really like this one a lot. Okay, so that was everything. We got the 100 envelope challenge, a nice small little binder, just a regular binder. I'm really liking this little pocket one. Super slim, very easy to take with you out and about. We got labels and these really cool divider or tabbed envelopes. Those are really cool. I really like those. And I think that was everything. Yeah, it wasn't too much. I just found a few things. I only wanted to show, I don't know, just some cool new items that I saw on Amazon. So that's it. Again, all of this stuff will be linked down in the description if you are interested in purchasing. But I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.